Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. This is again Teacher Rhea, and this time I am going to discuss about permutation. But before I'm going to start, what's the difference between permutation and combination? So when we say combination, order doesn't matter. So which means if the number of data in that particular set is exactly the same as with the other set, it's just the order is interchanged. That refers to one combination. But when we say permutation, the arrangement of the data is important or it matters. Okay. So what is permutation? So permutation is the number of objects or the number of permutations of n objects taken R at a time is denoted by the equation P of n taken R is equal to n factorial divided by the quantity of n minus R factorial. So actually the representation on n and R is the same Raggiani combination. So we have, for example, how many ways can 4 cards be drawn randomly from a deck of 52 cards? So from this particular problem, first thing that we're going to do is identify the value of n. So the total number of objects is 52 since it's stated in the problem the 52 cards. And out of the 52 cards, we are only going to draw 4. That makes it the value of our R. Now, using the formula for permutation, permutation of n taken R is equal to n factorial divided by the quantity of n minus R factorial. So, substitute the value. So, we have a permutation of 52 taken 4, and that is equal to 52 factorial divided by 52, which is the value of n minus R nga 4 factorial. And 52 factorial this is equal to 52 factorial all over 52 minus 4, that is 48 factorial. And of course, to simplify that one, that is equal to, okay, I try to expand 52 factorial, but ako na siya kutob or until 48 factorial lang siya. So, we can cancel out 48 factorial. So, 52 times 51 times 50 times 49 times 48 factorial divided by 48 factorial. For those who don't know what factorial means, when we say factorial, that is an operation wherein you are going to multiply the number from the highest value to 1. Ang highest is whatever is the number given. So, example, 4 factorial, that would be 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. When you say 10 factorial, that would be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. No, times 1 rakotob. Walay apil si times 0. So 48 factorial now can be cancelled out. So what remains is 52 kanina lang. 52 times 51 times 50 times 49. And you may multiply it manually or you may multiply it using the calculator. That will give you 6,497,400, which means there are 6,497,400 ways of drawing 4 cards from a standard deck of 52 cards. Okay, so I hope you learned something from the video. Thank you for watching. And please do not forget to subscribe on my channel, Learn to Love Math with Teacher Rhea.